Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to play Happy Birthday on the viola. I've also made this video for the violin, so you can check out that tutorial over here. Thanks so much for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. New helpful videos come out every week. So today we're going to play our Happy Birthday actually in two different keys. So first of all we're going to do G major, which is what I did in my violin tutorial. So we're going to do basically the same. We're going to start on our D string. We're going to use our M hand pattern for our D string. And we're going to go up to the A string, and for the A string we're going to use our L shape. So on the D string we'll have open D 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on the A string we'll have A, 1, 2 and 3 with our low pattern, so the low second finger. So we start with our open D, D, D1, D, 3, 2, D, D1, D, open A, 3, or you can use fourth finger instead of open A. D, D, then 3 on the A, 1 on the A, 3 on the D, 2 on the D, 1 on the D, then our low 2 C natural on the A, 2, 2, 1, 3 on the D, 4 is easier here because you're going to go straight back to your third finger G. So as I said, we're also going to do this in another key. We're going to do it in C major. So we're going to need the G string, and this time we're just transposing everything down one string or down a fifth. So the G string will have the M shape and the D string will have the L shape. So we're going to start with open G, G, G1, G, 3, 2, G, G1, G, 4 or open D and 3 on the G. Open G to 3 on the D, 1 on the D, 3 on the G, 2, 1, then low 2 on the D, F natural, 2, 2, 1, 3 on the G, 4, 3. That tutorial helped you out today. Please make sure you let me know by hitting the like button down below and leaving me a comment, and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Share this with your friends, and I'll see you next time.